What is an overjet? When it comes to addressing orthodontic problems, there is no one-size-fits-all solution. There are multiple types of issues orthodontists need to address to help patients get the best smile possible. One such issue is an overjet. What is an overjet? An overjet is a malocclusion related to your bite. Normally, your front teeth should bite down in front of your lower teeth with a small space in between them. However, someone with an overjet has teeth that stick out too far, making it impossible to bite down correctly and resulting in an irregular appearance. This condition is also often referred to as buck teeth and is often very noticeable. In addition to causing problems like being self-conscious about your appearance, overjets also often result in a lot of other significant problems for patients. Since the teeth aren't pointed down at the right